So for exercise 2.5 question 9, we're looking at what makes a function, or not a function, but these types of things undefined, or for what values of x will these things be undefined. So basically all the things you're given are in the form of a fraction, and what we're doing, we are looking for b to be 0. So we're looking for the denominator to equal to 0. That's what we're looking for. So over here, for 1 over x minus 4, what we're doing is we're looking for x minus 4 to equal 0. Now, for that to happen, we know that x has got to be equal to 4. So for this thing to be undefined, x cannot equal 4. Sometimes you've got to do a little bit of work, like this one here. You look at this immediately and you say, well, what could that possibly be? How do I know what values of x? Well, you've got to factorise this thing. So we factorise this, so we've got x squared minus 1x minus 2, and we need two numbers to add up to negative 1, two numbers to add up to negative 1 and to multiply negative 2. Well, that ends up being 1 over x plus 1, x minus 2. So now that we've got that, what we want x plus 1 and x minus 2 to equal 0. Well, we know that's got to be negative 1 and 2. So therefore x cannot equal negative 1 or 2. It could be anything else apart from those numbers. If you want to see what it looks like, graph them. This thing here will look like this. This thing will look like this. We've got that x minus 4. So we go across to 4. It can't be that value, and it's going to go like this. It's going to look like that. This one, don't know what it'll look like, but I can tell you we're going to have asymptotes at negative 1 and 2. So negative 1 and then 2. But like I said, my advice would be to graph them. Graph them and see. Well, so go through, use your algebra, use your knowledge there, and then graph them to actually see what they will look like, so you know why they're undefined at that particular value for x.